How to log into Netspend account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in netspend.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, at the top right corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on that. Now click on the option of login. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your credentials. First up, go ahead and type in your username. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide your details, if you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember username. And once you are done, click on login, and just for that you will be logged into your Netspend account. So this is how you can easily sign into a Netspend account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.